if you're looking for a top step guide that's going to run through almost everything, this is the video for you. We're going to go through combines, how much they cost, to the express accounts, and to the TopStepX platform, how it works and what it is. So first, let's start off with the accounts. You can get a 50K, 100K, or 150K account. Of course, the higher the amount in the account, the harder it is to reach, yes, and the more expensive. So let's start off 50K account, 49. These are all USD prices, by the way. $49 a month. And you have to reach a profit target of 3,000. Your max positions contracts are 5 contracts for the NASDAQ, but if you're trading micros, it's 50. Maximum loss limit is 2K. If you lose 2K, automatically your account is wiped. So, for example, to give a little example, on the first of the month, you get this 50K buying power. So that's your combine at 50K, $50 a month. On the first of the month, you paid it. But say on the third day of the month, you lose 2K, well, automatically you have to repay that monthly fee. So your account gets wiped. And same thing for the 100K account and 150K account. The only difference is you have a higher contract size and your profit target and maximum loss limit are higher. Question is, do you have a daily loss limit? Yes, you do, but you can remove it. It's removable because now with the TopStep X platform, it used to be TradeOvade. Now with TopStep X platform, you actually do have the ability to remove it. Do I suggest it? Absolutely not. But when you pass your combine, say you reach that 3K, 6K, or 9K profit target. If you did, congratulations. That is a very big accomplishment. I'm very happy for you. If you do reach it, you have an activation fee, which is your XFA account to get your Express. It's 149 US. So yes, that is quite pricey, but at the end of the day, that's the price. Well, now, once you pass and you pay that activation fee, well, let's hop to the TopStep X platform because this is automatically where you're gonna get put. So first thing you want to see is it looks exactly like TradingView. It's identical. And that's one thing that's very nice. One little downside to TopStep X is, for example, on TradingView, you can let me just pop it up over here. On TradingView, you can actually you can literally just trade, open up, put a limit, and you can automatically see what your take profit and your stop loss is actually going to be. But on TopStep X, you actually have to do the calculations yourself because as you see, you can't actually do it. So you have to do the calculations. And if you don't know how to do that, I actually recently just made a video on how to calculate your take profit and your stop loss before you enter the trade so you know how much you're risking and how much your potential gains are. I'll leave a link down below. So go check that out. That's very important. But as you can see, you have your platform looks exactly like TradingView, as I just mentioned. Another thing that is very nice, you kind of have your economic calendar. So this over here is honestly quite important. Right here, you have your latest news. Like for example, we are the first today. Well, you can see at 10 o'clock, I'm recording this video at 11:44. So about an hour, 2 hours ago, we had some US news. You can open it up, get a full run through of exactly what it is. So that's very nice. You also have your news over here around the world. For today, for example, obviously I didn't trade today. You have your take profit, you have your trade wins on the day percent win rate. This is your 50% consistency rule, which I apologize, I just forgot to actually mention that. You cannot trade more than 50% of your total profit. So for example, say you're trading the 50K combine and you have a 3K profit limit, you have to pass that in 2 days. So you have to maintain a 50% consistency rule, which is, for example, on 3K, 3 divided by 2, that's 1.5. So 3K divided by 2, 1.5. So you can trade up to 1.5 per day to get that Express account, the XFA. So that's the 50% consistency rule. So as you can see on your dashboard, this is honestly an intense breakdown. so you can really learn about all your trades. And of course, the most nice and important thing is you have this full calendar. So you can see exactly every single day you traded. When you take the trade, you can also tap on it and journal, which is very nice. See, add journal, and you can about your trade. So TopStepX, it could be better as long as they had that risk management tool as TradingView does. And yeah, honestly, TopStep, honestly, I'd have to agree. It's a very nice platform, very user friendly. And yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. Also, guys, I did actually just create a Discord. So if you're interested in trying to join like a little community, and if you do have any questions that you would like to reach me and actually have a full straight conversation without any cuts, for example, like if you text me on YouTube on the comments, it might take a little while to answer. The Discord, I'm usually quite quick because it's just straight on my phone. And yeah, if you would like to join that, link down below. List of my brokers. If you want to use TradingView, everything's down below. So if you did like this video, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be my absolute pleasure to answer them. Peace.